Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for the message notifications of the KKTICK Day 6. On our previous video, we do have a demo for Facebook Messenger and Instagram. On this video, we will focus on the Viber app, WhatsApp application, and SMS or text messages. So if you are interested to see this feature on the Tank T6, watch this video, and again, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and start and explore the push notification of the Tank T6. We'll focus on this video, we'll focus on the Viber, WhatsApp application, and text messages. Let's go first with the support app where Joy. Then we will activate the SMS. We have here, where's our SMS? Transfer images, we'll activate this one. Right, then app notifications. We'll disable our Facebook Messenger here. We'll activate the Viber app, WhatsApp, but we'll disable the Instagram. Okay, so we can focus on the following applications: WhatsApp, Viber, and text messages. I think that's it. Sync data. Let's wait, and that's it. So let's start with the notification. Let's go first with the WhatsApp application. Let's open the app. Let's send a message. Let's say hello. Message sent. Hopefully we can receive. Yes, we have it here. Okay, so we have a logo, name of the sender, the message, and an option to delete. Let's have another one. This time we will add an emoji. And we have the message here. We don't have a support for emoji, but we can receive messages with the name of the sender, an option to delete the messages. Okay, and that's it. Next, let's have a call notification, and call. And we have, let's see if we can receive a call notification. Okay, no call notification. Again, and call. We did not receive any call notification. Again, let's say hello. Let's see if we can receive messages. Yes, we can receive messages here, but we did not receive any call notification from the WhatsApp application. I don't know why. Maybe it's just delayed. Again, for the messages, yes, it works here. We did not receive any call notification. Let's see here. We have Sam, and as you can see, we do have some missed voice calls here, but we did not receive any notifications here on the smartwatch. Okay, so that's the issue here for the WhatsApp application. Next, let's have the Viber app. Send a message. Hello. Can we receive any notifications? Did not receive. Yes, we have it here, just late. But we have the message notification. We have the name of the sender and the message. Let's add an emoji. Message sent. Hello. And we have it here. Again, we don't have a support for emoji for our tank T6. How about the call? Miss call and call. And as you can see here, there's a support for missed call notification for the Viber. It also works for messages. For the WhatsApp application, we did not receive any missed call notification, but we received the message. Last one, let's try again. And call. Let's see if we can receive any call notification. None. Did not work. Okay. Next, let's have the SMS. Let's send a message. Still the same setup. Let's say hello. Text message sent. And we have it here. Okay, so we have the number, name of the sender, as well as the number and the message here. Hello. Another one. Hopefully it works. And we have it here. Delete. Delete. Okay, so that's it for our demo of the smart notification, our second video demo for the Tank T6 smart notification. So it works with the WhatsApp application, except that we did not receive any call notification, only messages. It works with Viber, both call and call notifications, and it also works with SMS or text messages. Still, one sentence only. There's no support for emoji. Again, if you have any questions regarding this demo, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.